Hello, my name is Kelvin Gwiyanga Misoga. I'm from Vihiga County, Kenya, and I am currently based in Nairobi. I teach mathematics, physics, English, Kiswahili, and sciences, including basic sciences for learners who need strong foundation. I can teach both English and Kiswahili, which allows me to connect easily with the students, the language they are most comfortable with. I hold a master's degree in physics education and have almost 8 years of teaching and training experience. Over this period, I've guided many learners to improve their grades, boost their confidence, and even develop the love for subject they once found difficult. My teaching style is learner centered, interactive, and results driven. In my lessons, you can expect step by step explanations, real life examples, problem solving practices, and digital tools to make learning both fun and effective. I tailor my teaching to your unique needs, ensuring you not only prepare for exams but also gain skills that last for a lifetime. I believe that reach out to the learners through the teacher. This is my philosophy that drives my work as an educator. I don't just teach, I mentor, motivate, and even inspire. So I say that education opens doors to endless opportunities, and I am here to walk you through that journey. I look forward to helping you achieve your goals and make learning an exciting and rewarding experience. See you. Thank you.